Nestled in a quiet rural setting on the beautiful Sunshine Coast, this quaint Queenslander has undergone a major transformation. We were thrilled when the clients approached us to bring their cabinetry and joinery vision to life. Our design team worked closely with the client to formulate a brief featuring moments of rattan, antique brass and Hampton-style cabinetry that would carry through the entire home. The end result is a warm and welcoming environment that is full of high quality fixtures and fittings and is built to stand the test of time. The kitchen, located at the back of the house and opening out onto the backyard, is light-filled and warm with Hampton-style two-pack cabinetry and American oak timber shelving. Our client opted for a dining table to be placed in the middle of the kitchen that is not only a central point for the family and guests to gather, but also acts as another food preparation space within the kitchen. As the house comprised of a small floor plan, it was essential that the cabinetry utilise each space effectively whilst creating a cohesive look throughout. The pantry is incorporated into a row of unique storage cupboards with curved cutouts and rattan inlay. These cupboards also feature our very own timber teardrop handles. Hidden gem, the laundry is cleverly incorporated into the kitchen and dining space. Behind two floor-to-ceiling pocket doors hides a compact bench and sink with hidden storage below, including a pull-out laundry hamper and open overhead shelving. The spacious master walk-in includes a combination of drawers, cupboards and hanging space and is perfectly finished off with handles from Low & Co. Following on from the same cabinetry style as the master walk-in, the children's bedrooms feature custom-made floor-to-ceiling wardrobes which run the entire length of one wall. To find out more about this project, head to our website.